Chronic neck pain can be a sign of repressed anger stuck in your body due to past emotional traumas. To figure out what is triggering your neck pain, it's useful to ask questions like, who's giving me a pain in the neck? What emotional burdens am I carrying on my neck? And then try to figure out what's really causing your anger and frustration, and especially looking at what was going on right when your symptoms started. And then we're going to use emotional freedom techniques, or EFT tapping, to release those trapped emotions from your body. We're going to combine the tapping with color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and self-hypnosis with visualization. First thing to do is to assess your subjective units of distress in your neck through a range of motion. So you want to extend your neck, flex your neck, turn your neck to one side and then the other, and see which motion creates the most discomfort. And then you're going to rank that on a scale of 0 to 10. 10 is the worst you've ever felt, 0 you feel nothing at all. And that gives us a place to start. Then we're going to use a setup phrase, which is going to be rubbing on the sore spot. So you're going to find your sore spot on the middle of your collarbones, and you go down with your thumbs onto your ribs, looking for a tender spot between your ribs. And then you're going to just pick whichever side hurts the most, and then say, even though I have anger stuck in my neck, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have anger stuck in my neck, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have anger stuck in my neck, I deeply and completely accept myself. Then you take a deep breath in and out, and breathe in your favorite color, a healing color, and then breathe out whatever color represents your anger and pain. And once we've gone through that process, then we can start into the tapping itself, using second, third fingers up on the eyebrow point to begin. And we're just going to tap on that one short phrase. Anger stuck in my neck. Side of your eye. Anger stuck in my neck. Under your eye. Anger stuck in my neck. Under your nose. Anger stuck in my neck. On your chin. Anger stuck in my neck. On your collarbone. I'll just cross over to the other side. Anger stuck in my neck. Under your arm, anger stuck in my neck, and below your breast on the lowest ribs you can find, anger stuck in my neck, and top of your head, anger stuck in my neck. Then deep breath in and out, and that usually takes the edge off it. And then we're going to switch hands to the other side, and I call this the off-life step. We're going to go a little deeper into what the issues are, and I'll just be using some generic phrases for today. But when you're doing it for yourself, you can tune into what's really bothering you. So on the eyebrow point here, say, I have anger stuck in my neck. Side of your eye, I feel like someone's stabbing me in the neck. Underneath your eye, I've got emotional burdens that are really stuck in my neck, and I can't get them out. And I feel like I need to go get an injection or have surgery or take some medications to suppress the pain, because it just bothers me all the time, and I'm afraid it'll get worse, and I'm worried that I'll have this neck pain forever. Deep breath in and out. So after offalizing, we're going to switch to the neutralizing step, which is to go back and forth between negative and positive. It'll get a little crazy, just play along with it. So first, we're going to start with the same phrase. Anger stuck in my neck. Side of your eye. It's gone. I'm healed. Under your eye, say, that sounds like bullshit. Under your nose, well, maybe I took the edge off it. On your chin, I'm not really sure tapping can help me heal my neck. Collarbone, what if it does? That would be really amazing. Under your arm, I would need some proof that it actually did anything. Below your breast, I'm willing to tap and see what happens. Top of your head, I'm curious to see if there will be any improvement. Deep breath in and out. Same colors going in and out. And then we're going to switch to the other side. And now you're going to focus on what you really want. This is where it shifts to self-hypnosis visualization. Start tapping on, and then just say, I'm ready for emotional freedom now. Side of your eye. I'm letting my neck start to heal. I'm releasing anger and any other emotions out of my neck. Under your nose, I'm letting go of those burdens. my neck is going to have a full range of motion. And I'm going to use my own self-healing skills and follow the lead of my neck. My neck is going to tell me if I have any repressed emotions that need to be released. And I will follow its guidance, and I will enjoy releasing these emotions and healing myself. Now, you can just close your eyes now and breathe in and out a little faster, a little deeper. So close your eyes, breathe in and out. Favorite color in, release the anger and the pain out, and have it go down through your neck, out through your arms. Favorite color coming out your fingertips, shake them down by your side. Let the anger and the pain go down through your legs and out into the ground. And you can shake your feet, stomp your toes up and down, wiggle your toes, and just like you're hitting the reset button on your body. And do that, breathe in and out, release as much as you need to, and then let yourself settle down and scan your body, looking for any place where there's still any stuck pain or anger or any other emotions that you need to release. And then if you find anything, give it a color, and then bring your healing color through your breath down into that region and wash it down into the ground. Particularly that go down through your arms and out through your hands as well. So once you've done that, then you can go to a favorite healing place out in nature where you can spend a minute or so doing some more healing work. So go to that place, use all 5 of your senses to imagine being there. What do you smell? What do you hear? What do you see? And then when you're there, imagine looking down at your feet onto the ground and looking for a healing object you can find on the ground around you. Just pick up the first random thing you see. Hold it in your hand. And you can use that object to recycle any of the emotions that are trapped in your body. Have it go down out of your neck, down into your arm, into the object, and then have it recycle that magically, turn it into compost, send it back to the earth any way that seems right to you. Once you've done that, then invite a healing spirit guide to join you in your healing place. And I usually recommend a being from the other side, either a wise ancestor, a spirit animal, or an angel. So invite whoever volunteers first to come and assist you and give you some wise advice. So once you've had a chance to interact with that guide, thank them for the advice, and then invite them to go back in a time travel journey with you into the past, and go back to a time in your life when your neck was really fully functional, comfortable, and you had released any emotions you were carrying there, and your neck feels balanced. And your throat as well, and you're speaking your truth, and whatever needs to flow through your 5th chakra in this case is actually working for you. So go back to that period in time and tune in to what was going on then. Imagine someone took a picture of you in that scene. Could be weeks ago, it could be months or years ago, and then someone took a picture of you in that scene where your neck was working really well, you're expressing yourself, and you're able to move any emotions through your body and through your neck that need to move. So put a color picture frame around that scene of you in the past and assign a color to it that feels like whatever the emotion was back then. And then breathe that color into your body wherever it needs to go. Put that picture up on your wall, so you can go back and tap into it anytime you need, a reminder of how healthy your neck has been in the past. Then you get back in your time machine, and this is where you get to be like a Hollywood scriptwriter and go into the future, into the recent past when your neck has been bothering you, and think of any emotional issues that might have been triggering you to have those symptoms, and figure out, rewrite that script in a way that you express yourself differently or more effectively. You if you were angry, you moved the anger and made good use of it and changed what was going on in your life. So see that happening. Be as creative as you want. As if there's a parallel universe and you're imagining some other thing that might have happened. Once you've done that, then project yourself into the future where your neck is completely healed, you have full range of motion. You can test your neck and see how you're doing there in the future. And you're fully expressing yourself and your emotions are moving through you appropriately. So see yourself, it could be a day, it could be a week, however long in the future when that's actually happening. And same thing in this situation, put a color picture frame around that as if someone took a picture of your future self with your healed neck. And breathe that color into your body and let it go wherever it needs to go. And put that picture up on the wall next to the other one from the past. So you know where you've been and where you're headed to. And once you've done that, then you stretch and come on back. And we're going to do one more thing just to take you into that future picture frame one more time. 3-step self-hypnosis process. You squeeze your thumb and finger together. Open your eyes wide. Take a deep breath in and hold it. And then all at once, let your hand relax. Close your eyes. Blow the breath out. Project yourself into that future picture frame with your future self with your healed neck. And you can use this technique over and over again anytime you want to put yourself into that future mindset of your healed self. So now what you want to do is just check in with your subjective units of distress, or your SUD score, and go through the range of motion again, flex, extend, turn, and see if your range of motion has improved or if your neck pain has changed in any way. And you can repeat this as often as needed to release whatever emotions are still there. Once you've done that, then you can check out my web page at larryburk.com. I've got other YouTube videos for back pain, leg pain, and different things like weight loss and some autoimmune conditions. And some of those you might find useful. There's also blogs, newsletters, and future workshops that I'm offering. So just now you've learned the tapping, just keep using it. If you just be persistent, be specific about the things that are bothering you, and if needed, scream or cry when you're releasing the emotion, because it makes the process work even more effectively. So happy tapping, and heal your neck, and express yourself effectively in the future.